Mark Uyeda, the acting chair of the SEC, has decided to drop the Ripple case. The ongoing court fight between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has led to a lot of speculation about whether they might settle. Current recent events suggest that this issue may be coming to a close sooner than expected, as some people are pointing out important signs that could lead to a solution. One reason for the growing rumors is that Brad has spoken directly with President Donald Trump about XRP being a possible digital asset for the US to keep in reserve. It's not certain if XRP will really become a national reserve asset, but the fact that people are discussing this idea is seen as a big step forward. Respect, the recent removal of the Ripple case from the Securities and Exchange Commission's website, is being widely talked about and guessed about. This move has led to some speculation about a possible solution soon, but experts warn not to read too much into it. Sherry, a well-respected figure in the XRP community, stated that the Securities and Exchange Commission hasn't done anything about the case. It has been decided and is now part of the award claims group. When a user asked why acting chairman Mark Uyeda was taking so long to drop the case, she explained that it's common for an acting head of the Securities and Exchange Commission to not quickly dismiss a big case like the one with Ripple. Typically, the assigned head is responsible for handling these important cases. The boss usually handles them. She said that Atkins should get Senate approval in April, and XRP looks good right now because its price is responding well to key support levels. After a period of stability, the chart shows a strong positive trend that has been developing over the last few days and weeks. The market's reaction to these support areas suggests that prices may rise soon. Right now, the price of XRP is below $3.10 and has dropped by more than 1% in the last 24 hours. After a small drop in mid-January, XRP fell and found support between $2.52 and $2.68. Even though the market didn't quickly rise, it's important to remember that this range is still very useful for predicting what will happen next. Movement direction, if the price stays above the support level, it shows that the market respects the current limits. This could mean that a comeback might happen to confirm that the lowest point has been reached. XRP needs to stay at its current low level of around $2.65. If this level stays steady, XRP might rise in price to between $4.20 and $5. It's important to note that the second wave is a normal pullback, and experts generally believe that the main trend will continue after this phase. To prove that the upward trend is still going, XRP needs to break through key resistance levels. The first challenge is to rise above $3.21. After that, the goal is to move up past $3.40. As long as these levels are not surpassed, the market will stay within a specific band, and there is still a possibility of going back to the support zone between $2.76 and $2.97. If XRP falls below the support level of $2.76, it could lead to a bigger price drop, possibly bringing it down to around $2.52 again. XRP remains an important investment for many people, with some aiming for high price goals. Dustib Crypto News, a crypto analyst, shared insights about XRP's market trends. They discussed how investor feelings and psychological factors affect trade choices, as well as patterns seen in previous market cycles. Despite changing opinions about it, XRP has remained strong, maintaining good support levels and showing signs of long-term growth. The analyst believes that XRP has been an important part of his trading portfolio for a long time because of its great potential for growth. He noted that the value of XRP went up a lot, quickly going from about 50 cents to over $3, highlighting how cryptocurrencies can experience sudden and large price changes. There is a temporary support level in the price band of $2.60 to $2.70, suggesting that prices could go up further in the future. The analyst observed that interest in searching for XRP is going down, even though prices are stable or rising. They see this trend as a good sign for market feelings. From his point of view, it's a decline. The number of searches indicates that short-term buyers are leaving the market while long-term investors are continuously buying assets. Experts in cryptocurrencies noted a big difference between people who keep their investments for a long time and those who buy and sell quickly for quick profit. Die gib den Bestes und verkaufe zum Punkt. Gib den Bestes und verkaufe zum richtigen Zeitpunkt. New investors often buy things when they are really excited and then sell them when the prices don't meet what they expected. He explained that many buyers miss out on big profits over time because they sell too soon. He highlighted that buying assets during market downturns has often led to profits over time. In the last few weeks, XRP has done better than many other cryptocurrencies, even though it has fallen behind Bitcoin in the past few years. The expert pointed out that this asset is one of the best performers in the top 10 and maybe even in the top 20 assets, showing that it has had strong gains. The analyst argued that the present trends are very different. The previous XRP bull market ran just 24 days, but the current one has been going on very different. The previous XRP bull market ran just 24 days, but the current one has been going on for nearly 90 days. He believes that the positive outlook is still happening and thinks that the cycle isn't finished yet. The XRP bull market is still happening, and he thinks the cycle isn't over yet.